स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध हक्क आहे आणि तो मी मिळवणारच.
आपुले सार्थ करा रे, राष्ट्रभक्ती निस्वार्थ करा रे, एकजुटीने कार्य करा या देशाचे. या साथी बना अनसाथ करा रे, मातृभूमी ही आज पुकारे. जागृत होऊन कंकण बांधू दिवस रात्र झटण्याचे. मातेच्या पायाशी हे अर्पण प्राणाचे, फेडूया ऋण आम्हा हा जन्म लाभला त्याचे. घेऊ हे ब्रिद हाती असे तू सिंधू नव हिंदुस्थानाचे. भीतीन आम्हा ह्या वज्रमुठींनी का तळभेदू. सीमा न कुठली हुंकार असा गगनाला छेदू. ठाम निश्चय हा दुर्दम्य आमुची इच्छा शक्ती. हृदय पोलादी ना सोडी कधी राष्ट्रभक्ती. मातेच्या पायाशी हे अर्पण प्राणाचे, फेडूया ऋण आम्हा हा जन्म लाभला त्याचे. घेऊ हे ब्रिद हाती असे तू सिंधू नव हिंदुस्थानाचे.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Sarthak Chaudhary. I study in 5th standard. Today we have gathered here to celebrate death anniversary of Lokmanya Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak was the great freedom fighter of the Indian freedom struggle. He gave a slogan, "Swarajya is my birthright and I shall have it." Lokmanya Tilak was born on 23rd July 1856 in Chikli village of Ratnagiri. His real name was Keshav. His father's name was Gangadhar Tilak. His mother's name was Parvati.
Myself Shreya Kaur, student of class 6B. Today I am going to give a speech on death anniversary of Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. One of the firebrand freedom fighters and the strongest proponent of Purna Swaraj or total self. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak's 101st death anniversary is being observed today. Lokmanya Tilak's slogan, "Swarajya is my birthright and I shall have it," caught the imagination of a country fighting to free itself from the colonial rule. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak died on August 1st, 1920 in Mumbai. Bal Gangadhar Tilak tirelessly contributed to help the country break free from the British rule. Part of the Lal Bal Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. Troika, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was called father of the Indian unrest by British colonial rulers. Talking to Twitter, Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid his tribute to Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Indian bows to Lokmanya Tilak on his 101st Punyatithi. His intellect, courage, sense of justice and idea of Swaraj continue to inspire, PM Modi said. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a scholar, a writer, a mathematician and a philosopher. He was given the title Lokmanya, which means beloved leader, by his followers. Lokmanya Tilak received his education at the Deccan College in Pune and he earned the bachelor's degree in 1876 in mathematics and Sanskrit. Later he also studied law at the University of Bombay. He founded the Deccan Education Society in 1884 with an aim to educate all the common people in English. Lokmanya Tilak founded and edited two newspapers, Kesari in Marathi and Maratha in English. He used his pen as a weapon to criticize the colonial rulers. He was imprisoned a number of times, including a long stint at Mandalay in Myanmar. During his years in prison, he spent his time in reading and writing. He wrote the famous Gita Rahasya, an analysis of the Karma Yoga, which finds its source in the Bhagavad Gita. Here I complete my speech and thank you.
Good morning friends, my name is Manav Dhanvashkal and I study in 6B. Today I will tell some few lines on Lokmanya Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak was great freedom fighter. Lokmanya Tilak was great freedom fighter of the Indian freedom struggle. He was the first leader who demanded self-rule for India. He gave the slogan, Swarajya is my birthright and I shall have it. Swarajya is my birthright and I shall have it. He was born on 23 July 1856 in Chikli village of Ratnagiri. His real name was Keshav, his father's name was Gangadhar, his mother's name was Parvati Bai. In the year 1877, he obtained his Bachelor of Arts degree from Deccan College of Pune. He was started two public celebrations, Ganeshotsav and Shiv Jayanti, so the people come together. He was given the title of Lokmanya, which means admired by the people. Tilak was often imprisoned for raising voice against the British rule. He wrote the book Gita Rahasya when he imprisoned for Mandala jail for 6 years. Tilak health condition started to deteriorating in the year 1920. He passed away in 1st August 1920. He died on 1st August 1920. He will always be remembered for his contribution in the.
I am studying in 4th standard. Respected principal, teachers and learning teachers, my dear friends. Today I am going to telling you about Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born in the year 1856 on the 23rd of July. He was Marathi by birth who hailed city of Ratnagiri. He is known as Father of India, unrest and introduced concrete to the Swaraj to people of sweet India. I am ending to the speech.
सुप्रभात मित्रांनो, माझे नाव समीक्षा राकेश देसले. मी इयत्ता 4वीत शिकते. मी आज तुम्हाला लोकमान्य टिळकांच्या विषयी काही माहिती सांगणार आहे. लोकमान्य टिळक हे भारतीय स्वातंत्र्य लढ्याचे थोर स्वातंत्र्यवीर आहे. स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार आहे आणि तो मी मिळवणारच, अशी त्यांची सिंहगर्जना करीत त्यांनी जनतेला लढ्याचा मंत्र दिला. लोकमान्य टिळकांचा जन्म 23 जुलै 1856 रोजी रत्नागिरी ते चिखली गावी झाला. त्यांचे खरे नाव केशव असे होते. बाळ हे त्यांचे टोपण नाव होते. त्यांच्या वडिलांचे नाव गंगाधर टिळक असे आहे आणि आईचे नाव पार्वतीबाई असे होते. टिळक लहानपणापासून अतिशय कुशाग्र बुद्धिमत्तेचे होते. 1877 मध्ये त्यांनी पुण्यातील डेक्कन कॉलेजमध्ये BA ची पदवी मिळवली. टिळक आणि अंगारकरांनी मराठा व केसरी या 2 वृत्तपत्रे चालू केले. या 2 वृत्तपत्राद्वारे त्यांनी राष्ट्रीय विचारांचा प्रचार केला. लोकांनी एकत्र यावं म्हणून
यांनी सार्वजनिक गणेशोत्सव आणि गणेशोत्सव आणि शिवजयंती उत्सव सुरू केले. इंग्रज सरकारविरुद्ध आवाज उठवल्यामुळे त्यांना अनेकदा त्यांना तुरुंगवास भोगावे लागले. तुरुंगवास भोगताना त्यांनी गीता रहस्य हा ग्रंथ लिहिला. 1920 पासून त्यांची टिळकांची प्रकृती बिघडू लागली. 1 ऑगस्ट 1920 मध्ये लोकमान्य टिळक.
I'm Satish Patil. I am studying in 4th A. I speaking to Lokmanya Tilak's speech. 2 lines. Lokmanya Tilak was a great freedom fighter of India. His freedom struggle all great amounts. First leader of India, he demanded self. First rule of India is a slogan. Swaraj is my birthright, I have it. Lokmanya Tilak is on 23 July 1856, village Chikli of Ratnagiri. His real name is Keshav. His father's name is Gangadhar Tilak. He was a school teacher. His mother's name is Parvati Bai. Lokmanya Tilak is an intelligent student of a childhood. 1877, he obtained a Bachelor of Art class degree from the Deccan School.
Previously, I am studying 4A. Today, I want to say you about Lokmanya Tilak. When Lokmanya Tilak got married, his father-in-law offered him a gold ring. Tilak refused the offer and he asked for books, believed that knowledge was far and more important than gold could ever to hope to be. From this incident, we saw the quest of knowledge in Tilak. All Indians thought like Tilak, then India will be courageous and knowledgeable like Lokmanya Tilak. Thank you.
My name is Gargi Dhananjay Sandhane. I study in class 4th. I will give speech of Lokmanya Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak was a great Indian freedom in a struggle. He gave a slogan, Swarajya is my birthright and I shall have it. Lokmanya Tilak was born on 23 July 1856 in Ratnagiri. His real name was Keshav. His father's name was Gangadhar Tilak, who was a school teacher. His mother's name was Parvati Bai. Lokmanya Tilak was an intelligent student from his childhood. In the year 1877, he obtained his Bachelor of Arts degree from Deccan College of Pune. Thank you.
Today I am going to give a speech on Lokmanya Tilak. Swarajya is my birth and I shall have it, wrote Bal Gangadhar Tilak as he emerged from the horizon in present-day Mumbai. India found a new slogan which paved the way for India's independence struggle, and Tilak became the first Lokmanya leader of it. While for the most part of his contribution of Indian freedom struggle, he advocated radical approach. However, later in his last year, he took up the task of taking the message of Swarajya to rural India. On the lines of Swarajya self-rule, Tilak advocated a home rule self-governance for India. He launched Home Rule Liago in April 1916 to work in Maharashtra. Primarily in Bombay Presidency, Karnataka, the Central Province and Berar, the objectives of Tilak's Liago were: first, establishment of self-government for India in British Empire; second, working for national education and social and political reforms. The membership for the Home Rule Liago skyrocketed from 1,000 in November 1916 to 40,000 in April 1917 and to 32,000 in 1918. This was primarily due to the fiery speeches delivered by Tilak. The Home Rule Liago organized discussion and lecture and set up reading room in distribution newspaper and pamphlets in English and vernacular languages, educating people about objectives of the movement. Members of the Liago were powerful orators and possession of thousands of Indians were submitted to the British authorities. The Home Rule League was inspired by Irish Home Rule movement, while Tilak focused on western part of India. Irish historical leader Anne Besant helped set up Home Rule League in different parts of the country. She herself was very active in Madras Presidency. Through the Home Rule movements of Tilak and Besant functioning separately, the work in close cooperation with each other. The fiery speech by Bal Gangadhar Tilak soon gave massive popularity to the League.
I am from class 9. Respected principals, sir, teachers and all my dear friends, today we have gathered here to celebrate for 1 August as a 101th death anniversary of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार आहे आणि तो मी मिळवणारच. The slogan was famous in Indian people belongs to Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak born on 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri district. Her father's name was Gangadhar Tilak and mother's name was Parvati Bai. He was a bright and a talented student during his school days. Once in the school, teacher found a groundnut shell on the floor. Then teacher asked who threw the groundnut shell on the floor. No one spoke. Then teacher decided to punish entire class. Then when Bal Tilak's turn came, he said to teacher, I don't eat groundnut shell, I don't accept the punishment. He learned Indian culture, history against the British rule. Bal Gangadhar Tilak started a freedom movement in Pune and encouraged among young generation and for a mass movement. Lokmanya Tilak was a famous leader for Indian independent movement. Lokmanya Tilak died on 1st August 1920, age of 24 years. Lokmanya Tilak started two newspapers, Kesari and Marathi newspaper. Both are a famous newspaper. He wrote different articles in it. Lokmanya Tilak started to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi and Shiv Jayanti in the Maharashtra with the festival in they try to gather all people together. With this motivation, then towards the freedom fight for our Indian country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
And I am studying in 9th class. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born on 23 July 1856 in Ratnagiri district, Maharashtra as a Keshav Gangadhar Tilak. His father's name was Gangadhar Tilak. He died when the Bal Gangadhar Tilak was only 16 years old. The young Tilak took education in Deccan College of Pune, and where in 1876 he earned the bachelor's degree in mathematics and Sanskrit. Then he studied law and received degree in 89. He taught in the private schools of Pune. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a teacher, philosopher, journalist, etc. He took part in the Indian independence movement. He was one-third of a Lal Bal comrades. He was dubbed as the father of Indian unrest by British colonial authorities. He was also given the title Lokmanya. It means that he was accepted by the people as a leader. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was openly supported to the anti-British activities. Due to this, he was jailed several times. Then he joined the National Congress after the 1916 Lucknow Act. He thought that the Congress should adopt a more radical approach to demand of freedom. Then he died on 1 August 1920. The Swarajya is my birthright and I should have it. It is her famous slogan.
My name is Aram Nilesh Sasli. My standard 5th standard. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is my favorite freedom fighter. After he was born in 23 July 1856 in Maharashtra. He also Lokmanya father name is Gangadhar Tilak. Lokmanya mother name is Parvatibai Tilak.
Today I am telling the speech about Lokmanya Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born in the year 1856 on the 23rd of July. He was Marathi by birth who hails from the city of Ratnagiri. Being an ordinary school teacher, he loved and patrician for the inventory where beyond was. He was keen admirer of the unrest and introduced a concept of Swaraj of the people of India. While he fought the British, he was once arrested and sent to prison in Burma for 60 years. His sacrifices and social service to nation will be remembered for you to come. Being a great scholar of Indian history, he could understand the vibe and the dynamics of Indian society better than other leaders of the Indian society. Indian independence movement. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is also known as the architect of modern India was the Asian nationalism. His philosophy was soon dismantled after his death by other leaders into Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. Thank you.
मी आज तुम्हाला लोकमान्य टिळकांबद्दल सांगणार आहे. लोकमान्यांनी उचललेल्या स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध हक्क आहे व तो मी मिळवणारच या अजरामर उद्गाराने तंत्राचे रूप धारण केले. पारतंत्र्याच्या काळात तरुणांना स्फूर्ती दिली, पण हा लोकमान्यांचा जीवनाचा एक पैलू झाला. अष्टावधानी असलेले लोकमान्य जसे जहाज नेते म्हणून ओळखले जात, तसेच पत्रकारितेच्या क्षेत्रात, ज्ञानाच्या क्षेत्रात, अध्यात्म क्षेत्रात त्यांची उंची फार होती. त्यांच्या गीतारहस्याने तत्कालीन समाजाला वेध तर लावलेच, पण आज ही गीतारहस्य लोकांना आकृष्ट करते. लोकमान्य नुसते पुढारीच नव्हते तर कर्मयोगी होते. त्यामुळे त्यांच्या जीवनाच्या चित्राची माहिती, त्यांच्या जीवन चरित्राची माहिती करून घेणे प्रत्येक देशभक्ताचे कर्तव्य आहे. नेमका हाच धागा धरून डॉक्टर प्रभाकर पाटखांनी लोकमान्यांचे चरित्र शब्दबद्ध केले.
मी आज लोकमान्य टिळकांबद्दल त्यांची माहिती सांगणार. लोकमान्य टिळक यांचा जन्म
23 जुलै
1836 मध्ये झाला. रत्नागिरी जिल्ह्यात झाला. त्यांचे पूर्ण नाव बाळ गंगाधर टिळक असे होते. चिखलगाव हे लोकमान्य टिळकांचे मूळ गाव. त्यांच्या वडिलांचे नाव रामचंद्र टिळक होते. त्यांचे नाव पार्वतीबाई टिळक असे होते. त्यांनी मराठा असं क्रेसली उत्तपत्त
midway to LLB course instant, and the 1879 he obtained his LLB degree from the government law college. After graduation, Tilak started teaching mathematics at a private school at Pune. Later he did the different with colleges and the new school withdraw, and the Tilak active participate the public affairs and standard the religion practical, if not are different matters. The real spirit to make the country our family instant the working only your own steps. The next steps the survey to a god.
Thank you. Very nice. Very good, Gitesh. Yes, students. Give a clap for Gitesh on your cameras. Give a clap for Gitesh. Yes, Bhumi.
Ma'am.
Yes, Bhumi. On your camera.
Ma'am, I want to give.
Yes, Bhumi, start. Students, on your cameras. Bhumi, on your camera, start. Yes, start.
बाल गंगाधर तिलक का जन्म महाराष्ट्र के कोकण देश रत्नागिरी के चिक्कन गांव में 23 जुलाई 1856 को इनके पिता गंगाधर रामचंद्र तिलक एक धर्मनिष्ठ।
On your camera.
मैम ऑन ही है कैमरा।
ऑन है लेकिन आपका दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। ओके फाइन, चलो कंटिन्यू।
अपने परिश्रम के बल पर शाला के मेधावी छात्रों में बाल गंगाधर तिलक की गिनती होती थी। वे पढ़ने के साथ साथ प्रतिदिन नियमित रूप से व्यायाम भी करते थे, अतः उनका शरीर स्वस्थ और पुष्ट था। सन 1879 में उन्होंने बीए तथा कानून की परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण की थी। घरवाले और उनके मित्र संबंधी यह आशा कर रहे थे कि तिलक वकालत कर धन कमाएंगे और वंश के गौरव को बढ़ाएंगे। तिलक ने प्रारंभ से ही जनता की सेवा करना शुरू कर दिया था। परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण करने के बाद उन्होंने अपनी सेवाएं पूर्ण रूप से शिक्षा व्यवस्था के निर्माण को दे दी। सन 1880 में न्यू इंग्लिश स्कूल और कुछ साल बाद कॉलेज की स्थापना की। वे हिंदुस्तान के एक प्रमुख नेता, समाज सुधारक और स्वतंत्र सेनानी थे। भारतीय स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के पहले लोकप्रिय नेता थे। उन्होंने सबसे पहले ब्रिटिश राज के दौरान पूर्ण स्वराज की मांग उठाई थी। तिलक का यह कथन कि स्वराज मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर रहूंगा बहुत प्रसिद्ध हुआ। लोग उन्हें आदर से लोकमान्य नाम से पुकार कर सम्मान करते थे। उन्हें हिंदू राष्ट्रवाद का पिता भी कहा जाता था। तिलक के क्रांतिकारी कदमों से अंग्रेज बौखला गए थे और उन पर राष्ट्रद्रोह का कदम चलाकर 6 साल के लिए देश निकाला का दंड दिया और बर्मा की मंडेल जेल भी दी थी। तिलक अपने क्रांतिकारी विचारों के लिए भी जाने जाते थे। ऐसे भारत के वीर स्वतंत्र सेनानी का निधन 1 अगस्त 1920 को मुंबई में हुआ था।
Okay, done. Very nice. Actively participated by the Bhumi Sonone. Very nice. I really appreciate Hitesh and Bhumi. Is there any other volunteer who want to participate? Come on fast. Sania, yes, start with it.
बाल गंगाधर तिलक और लोकमान्य तिलक।
On your camera. Yes, start.
बाल गंगाधर तिलक और लोकमान्य तिलक. He was born as Keshav Gangadhar Tilak and was an Indian nationalist, teacher and an independence activist. He was one of the third. Lal, Bal, Pal. He was the third from them. Tilak was the first leader of Indian independence movement. The British colonial authorities called him the father of the Indian unrest. He was also
conferred with the title of Lokmanya, which means accepted by the people by as their leader. Mahatma Gandhi called him the maker of modern India. Tilak was one of the strongest advocates of Swaraj and a strong radical in Indian consciousness. He is known as his quote in Marathi, Swarajya is my birthright and I shall have it. He formed a close alliance with many Indian National Congress leaders, including Bipin Chandrapal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Robin Ghosh, um, Chimbaram Pillai, and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. This great leader died in the Bombay in British India rule, which is present day Mumbai. He died on 1st August 1920.
Okay, very good. Very nice. Miss, suddenly you are given, this is the topic and you are given your speech on the occasion of this Punyatithi of Lokmanya Tilak. Bhumika Patel, start.
Good morning to all. Lokmanya Tilak was born on July 23, 1850 at Tikhalgaon, a coastal village of Ratnagiri district in Maharashtra. His later, he was given the Little Lokmanya, which means one respected by the people. Tilak worked as a lawyer and later as a teacher. The social and the political condition of India distressed him a great deal. He launched two newspapers, the Keshri in Marathi and the Marathi in English in 1881. Through this newspaper, he expressed his ideas and addressed the masses. Tilak opposed even social practices such as child marriage. He advocated literacy among women and widow remarriage. Tilak started the public celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi festival in Maharashtra. He also started the Shiv Jayanti festival. These festivals were organized to bringing the people together and inspiring them to fight against British rule. Tilak was jailed several times. Once while in jail, he wrote his famous book, The Gita Rahasya. After release, he plugged into the Home Rule movement. Later, this greater leader died on August 1, 1920. He was mourned by lakhs of people all over the nation. Lokmanya Tilak gave the freedom fighters Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. He commanded devotion from all. Tilak was the main responsible to trouble the British. He thought that there should be a public meeting, but indeed it was not possible. His first step was to bring Lord Ganesha at home, and this was successful. The British thought it is the ritual and avoid this apart from this they are held several meetings. After his death, Mahatma Gandhi took the leadership and fought against the British. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice. Thank you, Bhumika. Very nice speech on the occasion of Lokmanya Tilak. Actively participated by these 4 students. Any more? Yes? Is there any more who would like to say words? Yes, Hitesh? Yes, Hitesh, would you like to speak? Come on, start. Yes, afterwards, Anuj, your number. On your camera.
I can't prepare, but I will prepare within 2 hours. Can I speak?
Sure, sure. Till Anuj, you prepared. Come on, speak. Anuj, you start. Hitesh, yes, in Marathi language. It's okay. Anuj, on your camera and start. Yes, Anuj, we are waiting. On your camera. Anuj, time is very precious. Start.
Lokmanya Tilak or Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born on 23 July 1856 at Chillau, in coastal village of Ratnagiri district in Maharashtra. In his letter, he was given the title of Lokmanya, which means one respected by people. Tilak worked as a lawyer and later as a teacher. The social and political condition of India distressed him a great deal. He launched two newspapers, the Kesari in Marathi and Maratha in English. In 1881, through these newspapers, he expressed his idea and awakened the masses. Tilak opposed evil social practices such as child marriage, advocate literacy among women, and widow remarriage. Tilak restarted the public celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi festival in Maharashtra. He also started Shiv Jayanti festival. These festivals were organized with a view of bringing the people together and inspiring them to fight against British rule. Tilak was jailed several times. One while in jail, he wrote his famous book, The Gita Rahasya. After he released, he plugged into the Home Rule movement. The great leader died on August 1, 1920. He was mourned by lack of the people all over the nation. Lokmanya Tilak gave the freedom fighters his slogan, Swarajya is my birthright and I shall have it. He commanded devotion for all. Tilak was the man responsible to trouble the British. He thought that there every should be the public meeting, but indeed it was not possible. His first step was to bring Lord Ganesha at home, and this was successful. The British thought it is ritual and avoid this. Apart from this, there were held several meetings. Tilak was very intelligent and grateful freedom fighter. His contribution toward the nation is remembered always by us. After his death, Mahatma Gandhi took the leadership and fought against British. Thank you.
Very good, very nice. Very nice, Anuj. Next, Hitesh. Be ready. Come on, Hitesh. On your camera, start.
Ma'am,
Yes, start.
ma'am, I will send you in 2 hours.
Yes, what do you want to say? What do you want to say, Hitesh? Speak loudly. You are going to? I can't prepare. You are saying that you are going to speak in Marathi, in any language. You use the complete tri-lingual language you can use, whether it's in English, Hindi, Marathi. But you have to speak. So here we have celebrated this Lokmanya Tilak Punyatithi. 5 students actively participated in the speech of this Lokmanya Tilak, and now I would like to do the announcement that we are going to sum up of this program. So I'm going to stop here, a recording of it also, and I'll definitely presenting it to all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Disha Ravindra Jagtap. I am second standard in Prachiti International School. Today I am going to tell you about Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born in 23rd July 1856 at Chikhli in Maharashtra. He was an Indian nationalist and teacher. He was 1/3 of the Lal Bal Pal Triumvirate. Tilak was the first leader of the Indian independent movement. Here a controversy. जब शाहू महाराज ने ओबीसी के लिए शासन प्रशासन में रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिया, तब तिलक बोले, क्या तेली तंबोली और कुनबटों को संसद में जाकर हल चलाना है. तिलक was died in 1st August 1920. जय भारत, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Good morning all of you. My name is Himanshu Deepak Dadwi and I am telling about Lokmanya Tilak. Today is 164th birth anniversary of Lokmanya Tilak. So I am going to tell about few words about Lokmanya Tilak. Please listen carefully. The Lokmanya Tilak was born on 26 July 1856 in Chikhli village of Ratnagiri district. His father name was Keshav Gangadhar Tilak. he was teacher in school, and his mother name was Parvati Bai Tilak. The Lokmanya Tilak full name was Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He made the paper of Kesari and Maratha. That's why the British government arrested him and put him in prison. But Lokmanya Tilak continued his struggle for Swaraj. Even after he was released after prison, he spent the whole life of Swaraj. Thanks to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.